there, it's our bricks and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll show you 10 tips to make your Lego MOCs look much better. The first tip is to build more sturdy walls. If you keep putting the same piece over and over on top of each other, it will make the walls less sturdy. You can easily knock it down, you can even blow at it and it can fall over. Instead of putting the same piece over on top of each other, put them like this, it will be much stronger. The next tip is not to use these big pieces. The reason I say this is because it limits your creativity. You can just take this piece, place a couple pieces, and this will be a mountain home. But let's be honest here, it doesn't look that good.
And you are right.
Instead, use these 1x2, 2x4s, and all kinds of those slopes, and it'll look much realistic and better. Let me know up there which ones you think are better, the pre-made ones or the custom built ones. If you have limited pieces and you're building a big MOC like this one, the tip here is to use older pieces you don't use and older colors of pieces you rarely use and place them under the parts where you don't see. Basically, just hide your pieces underneath so it won't be visible. The next tip is usually the one I use. Before I build a MOC, I usually look at some other ones for inspiration or for the overall design of the build. I used images for like my McDonald's, my Five Guys MOC, the Dunkin' Donuts, and many more. And that's the tip, just to use images as a reference. The next tip to make your MOC look better is to add custom pieces. I made a whole video on how to make custom pieces in my last video. Make sure to press the link in the description. Not only does custom pieces make the MOC look better, it makes it realistic as well. Let's get to the next tip. The next tip is to add depth to your build. What I mean by this is to try using bricks that are textured or overlap some pieces just for different designs so it won't look as plain old bricks. One of the mistakes I've done before when I build MOCs was not to tile off sidewalks. If you have the tiles, you should use them and place them everywhere you could possibly put them. That's why usually I put them on the roof or on the sidewalk. Another thing I'd always do is to stick with just 3 colors, the light gray, dark gray, and tan. Those colors are nice, but sometimes you need to add some kind of pop of color. For example, my Dunkin' Donuts MOC I built, I use these natural colors, and I also added a pop of orange. That pop of color will make your MOC just that much better and more interesting to look at. To make your roofs more stronger, place plates underneath your other plates to make it more sturdy. And that's a good tip to use colored plates as well. The next tip is for people who build Lego cars. Instead of using 2x2 round plates, use just 2x2 plates because it's more stronger, as you can see. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe. Your subscription to my channel allows me to make more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.